Hi students, good morning. Problem: if a plus b is equal to pi by 4, then prove that 1 plus tan a into 1 plus tan b is equal to 2, and hence show that tan 22.5 degrees is equal to root 2 minus 1. And by using that result, so these are the standard results. Now a plus b equal to pi by 4, applying tan on both sides. Tan of a plus b is equal to tan 5 by 4. You know tan of a plus b formula. So this is tan a plus tan b by 1 minus tan a into tan b. Tan pi by 4 is tan 45. Tan 45 degrees value is what? 1. Okay. Now by cross multiplication, so this is tan a plus tan b is equal to 1 into this. 1 minus tan a, this is into tan b. Now take this side. So this is tan a plus tan b plus tan a into tan b is equal to 1. Okay, now we are adding 1 on both sides. Now this is adding 1 on both sides. This side I am adding 1. 1 plus tan a plus tan b plus tan a into tan b is equal to 1 plus 1. Adding 1 on both sides. Now in this one, you can take 1 common. 1 plus tan a plus these two, take tan b is taking common. This is 1 plus tan a is equal to 1 plus 1 is 2. So this is 1 plus tan a into 1 plus tan b is equal to 2. So 1 plus tan a common. So this is 1 plus tan b. So we have one result. Okay now. And by using this result, find the value of tan of 22.5 degrees. Okay. Now here, this is the result for a plus b equal to what? 45 degrees. So this is a plus b is equal to pi by 4 means what? 45 degrees. Then we have the result. In this one, put a is equal to 22.5 degrees. In this one, a equal to 22.5 degrees. Implies what is b is equal to? B is equal to 45 degrees minus 22.5 degrees. That is equal to 22.5 degrees. Okay. A equal to 45 degrees implies b is also equal to, that is 45, the a plus b. A equal to 22.5 degrees. Therefore, this is what? 1 plus or you put b is equal to a. Both are same. Or in this result, put b equal to a. Put b is equal to a implies a plus a is equal to 45 degrees. 2a is equal to 45 degrees. A equal to 45 by 2, that is 22.5 degrees. Now in this result also, put b equal to a. So this is 1 plus tan a into 1 plus, where b equal to a, that is a, is equal to 2. So this is 1 plus tan a 1 plus tan a whole square is equal to 2. That is 2. Therefore 1 plus tan a is equal to what? Root 2. 1 plus tan a is root 2. Therefore tan a is equal to tan a is root 2 minus 1, where a is equal to what? 22 and half degree. Therefore tan of 22 and half degrees is equal to root 2 minus 1. So this is square, 1 plus tan a whole square. X square is equal to 2 means what? X equal to plus or minus 2 actually. But tan 22 and half degrees means first quadrant tan is positive. Tan, the value is positive. So that's why you can take the positive value. Okay, just write down. Next problem, if a minus b equal to 3 pi by 4, a minus b equal to 3 pi by 4, then show that 1 minus tan a into, this is 1 plus tan b is equal to 2. 1 plus tan b is equal to 2. So this is also same process. 3 pi by 4 means pi by 4 is 45 degrees. 3 pi by 4 is 3 into 45, which is equal to 135 degrees. So for this problem also we are applying tan on both sides. So this is the tan of a minus b is equal to tan of 3 pi by 4. That is equal to tan of 135 degrees. Tan 135. Tan 135 is nothing but, so this is the tan of 90 degrees plus 45 degrees. So tan of 90 plus theta, second quadrant, tan is positive. Sorry, tan is negative. So this is minus cot 45. That equal to minus 1. Therefore, tan of a minus b formula, tan a minus tan b by 1 plus tan a into tan b is equal to, this is the value is minus 1. Minus 1. Now cross multiplication. So this is tan a minus tan b is equal to minus 1 into this, that is minus 1, and this is minus tan a into tan b, tan a into tan b. Now 1 you can write this side, 1 is equal to these values you can write that side. So this is minus tan a plus tan b, write that side. 1 take this side, minus tan A into tan B. Just like the previous sum, adding 1 on both sides. Now, adding 1 on both sides. So, this is 1 plus 1 is equal to, I am adding 1 here, 1 minus tan A plus tan B minus tan A into tan B. So this is 2 is equal to, you can take 1 common of these 2, 1 minus tan A, and here these 2 plus you can take tan B is taking common. So this is 1 minus tan A. Now this is 2 is equal to, so 1 minus tan A is again taking common. So 1 minus tan A into this is 1 plus tan B. So which is the our required result. Okay, for this type of problems, if A plus B equal to 135 or A plus B equal to 225 degrees, okay, or A minus B equal to 135 degrees. So I have to prove all these type of results by using the same process. Just write down. Next one, I will give you the same model problems just to try yourself. If A plus B is equal to 225 degrees, then prove that 1 plus tan A into 1 plus tan B is equal to 2. Second one, if A plus B is equal to 135 degrees, then prove that 1 minus tan A into 1 minus tan B is equal to 2. If A plus B is equal to 135 degrees, then prove that 1 plus cot A into 1 plus cot B is equal to 2. So these three are same model problems, just like the previous sum. Just you try yourself. So this is third problem. And write one problem. So express the value sin of A plus B minus C is equal to, express completely. That means what? Write the expansion of sin of A plus B minus C. So this you treat as A, this is B. Sin of A plus B form, sin A cos B. Okay, this is alpha, this is beta. Sin of alpha minus beta. sin alpha cos beta minus cos alpha sin beta. So this is minus cos of, so this is A plus B into sin C. Sin A cos B minus cos A sin B. Okay, or it treat as this is alpha minus beta. Sin alpha cos beta minus cos alpha sin beta. Okay, and that is equal to, again you write the expansion of sin of A plus B form. So this is sin A cos B plus cos A into sin B into cos C. Okay, minus cos of A plus B. So this is cos A, or you can write sin C cos A cos B minus sin A sin B into sin C. Sin C. So this is sin of A plus B, this is cos of A minus B expansions, and then we are multiplying with cos C for that sin C. That is equal to sin A cos B cos C plus cos A sin B into cos C. Next, this is minus cos A cos B into sin C. Minus of minus, that is plus again. So this is sin A sin B into sin C. So this is the expansion. Okay, and you write the expansions. So it is sin of A minus B minus C and cos of A plus B plus C and cos of A plus B minus C and cos of A minus B plus C. You can write these expansions. So this is treated as A B. So this is A B. So this is just like A B. So this is A B. Okay, just you can write the expansions completely. Next problem. If sin of alpha plus beta by sin of alpha minus beta is equal to A plus B by A minus B. A minus B. Then prove that A tan alpha equal to, so this is B tan alpha. B tan alpha is equal to A tan beta. Then prove this result. Okay, now we have one property. This is called componendo and dividendo. By using the property componendo and dividendo, that means what? if A by B is equal to C by D, implies A plus B by A minus B is equal to C plus D by C minus D. So this is called componendo and dividendo. Componendo and dividendo. A plus B by A minus B is equal to C plus D by C minus D. This is called, so this is A by B equal to C by D. So the sum and their difference by sum by their difference. Okay, this is called componendo and dividendo property. Now for this I am applying by componendo and dividendo. So this is A, B. A plus B by A minus B. That is what? So this is a sine of alpha plus beta plus sine of alpha minus beta by, so this is a sine of alpha plus beta minus a sine of alpha minus beta is equal to, so this is C and this is D. So this is A plus B plus A minus B by A plus B minus of A minus B. So this is just like what? C plus D by C minus D. So this is just like what? A plus B by A minus B is equal to. Okay, for this part here, for this side, so B gets cancelled, 2A by A plus B minus A plus B. So A cancel, minus of minus, this is 2B. So this gets cancelled, that is A by B. A by B. Now sine of A plus B plus sine of A minus B, you write the expansions. I think you know the expansion. Okay, or you can write it directly, but I write complete expansion. So this is sine alpha cos beta plus cos alpha sin beta plus sine of A minus B. So this is sine alpha cos beta minus cos alpha into sin beta. Okay, this is sine of alpha plus beta, this is sine of alpha minus beta by same thing, sine alpha cos beta plus cos alpha into sin beta minus, you can put compulsory bracket. If it is plus, no need to put plus, but here you can put compulsory bracket. So sine of alpha minus beta, sine alpha cos beta minus cos alpha sin beta is equal to A by B. Okay, cos alpha sin beta minus cos alpha sin beta gets cancelled. So if you are multiplying with minus, so this minus sin alpha cos beta. So again these two gets cancelled. Minus of minus, that becomes plus. So that is equal to what? So this is sin alpha cos beta, sin alpha cos beta, 2 times of sin alpha into cos beta by cos alpha sin beta, minus of minus plus cos alpha sin beta. So this is 2 times of cos alpha into sin beta. This is equal to A by B. So these two gets cancelled. Okay, sin by, this can be written as, and this is written as, so sin alpha by cos alpha, which is tan alpha, into cos beta by sin beta, that is cot beta, is equal to A by B. That is, that you write tan alpha into cot beta is 1 by tan alpha. So by tan alpha, this is tan beta is equal to A by B. Implies by cross multiplication, okay, A tan beta equal to B tan alpha. Implies cross multiplication B tan alpha equal to A tan beta. So okay, this is the our required result. Okay, there this is important componendo and dividendo property. Write down. Okay, next one. Prove that sin square alpha plus cos square alpha plus beta plus 2 sin alpha into sin beta into cos of alpha plus beta is independent of alpha. Is independent of alpha. Independent of alpha means what? Here. So in the given expansion, by simplifying, there is no alpha. We cannot get alpha values. So in terms of maybe constant or in terms of beta. That is independent of beta. Now this is sin square alpha plus cos square can be written as these two. You can take cos of alpha plus beta is taking common. Cos alpha plus beta. Now this is what we have another cos of alpha plus beta. This is taking common. The part is 2 sin alpha into sin beta. Okay. Now this is sin square alpha plus this is cos of alpha plus beta. And this is write the expansion of cos of alpha plus beta. Expansion of cos alpha plus beta. So this is cos alpha cos beta minus sin alpha sin beta plus 2 sin alpha into sin beta. This is the expansion. Now this is sin square alpha plus cos of alpha plus beta into this is, so this is 2 sin alpha sin beta minus sin alpha sin beta. That becomes what? We have 1 sin alpha sin beta. So this is cos alpha cos beta, right, plus sin alpha sin beta. Now this is sin square alpha plus So this is cos of alpha plus beta, cos alpha cos beta plus sin alpha sin beta, which is cos of alpha minus beta, cos of alpha minus beta. So this is sin square alpha plus, again we have a formula, cos alpha plus beta into cos alpha minus beta, which is cos square A minus a sin square B. That is cos square A minus a sin square B form. So you have the formula cos of A plus B into cos of A minus B. So this is what here, cos of A plus B into cos of A minus B formula, that is equal to cos square B minus sin square A, or sin square A minus, this is cos square A minus sin square B, or cos square A minus sin square B. So this is the formula. I think you know that formula. Now this you write cos alpha plus beta into this, you write cos square B minus sin square A, cos square B, that is cos square beta minus sin square alpha, by using this formula, cos square B minus sin square A. So, okay, so sin square alpha gets cancelled, which is equal to cos square beta. So in this one we cannot, alpha is there, which is independent of alpha, which is independent of alpha. So hence the result is over. Write down. So same model problem, just try yourself. Prove that cos square alpha minus beta plus cos square beta minus 2 cos alpha minus 2 into cos of alpha minus beta into cos alpha cos beta, cos alpha into cos beta is independent of beta. Cos square alpha minus beta plus cos square beta minus 2 cos alpha minus beta into cos alpha into cos beta is, which is independent of beta. Same process. You can take cos of alpha minus beta, cos of alpha minus beta taking common. And you have one more cos of alpha minus beta. For that you write the expansion. And here this is minus 2 cos alpha cos beta. Okay, and the same process you get the result. Next one. If tan alpha minus tan beta is equal to m and cot alpha minus cot beta is equal to n, then prove that cot of alpha minus beta is equal to 1 by m minus 1 by n. Cot of alpha minus beta equal to. So this you write 1 by cot alpha minus 1 by cot beta is equal to m. By taking LCM, this is cot alpha into cot beta LCM. So this is cot beta minus cot alpha is equal to m. In this one, if you take minus common, so this is minus common, this is cot alpha minus cot beta. If you are multiplying minus cot alpha, minus of minus plus tan beta by cot alpha into cot beta is equal to m. But what is the value is given? So this is n. So this is what? Minus n by cot alpha into cot beta is equal to m. M take this side and cot alpha cot beta take that side. Then this is what? Minus n by m is equal to cot alpha into cot beta. And also cot alpha cot beta is given en. Now why you are finding this result cot alpha into cot beta? Because cot of alpha minus beta form. In this one now we can take cot of alpha minus beta is equal to formula is cot alpha cot beta plus 1 by cot beta minus cot alpha. This is the formula. Just you can once you can recollect, or just your once you verify your notes, formulas are there. Okay, so this is so that is equal to cot alpha into cot beta is what? So here minus n by m. So this is minus n by m plus 1 by cot beta minus cot alpha is what? Minus n. If you take minus is taken common. If you take minus common, so this is what? Minus en. Because this here it is minus common, or I can write minus common, I can take minus common this one. So this is cot alpha minus cot beta. Okay, that is equal to, so this is, I write 1, so this is 1 minus n by m by, this is what? Minus n, that is equal to, by taking LCM, m is LCM, m minus n by minus n, so that is what? Minus n. If you take minus common, minus of, so this is n minus m by minus m n, minus cancel, that is equal to n by mn. minus m by m n. Okay, so just like this, x plus y by 2 can be written as x by 2 plus y by 2, like this. I can write two parts. So n cancel, m cancel, which is equal to minus 1 by m minus 1 by n. So this is our result. Okay, write down. Okay, thank you.